The cost of long-haul gauge Vechain will reach 3 cents by the end of 2027 and 5 cents by the middle of 2031, according to the most recent estimates. That can appreciate anticipation. 2023 to 2024 vaccine cost began 2023 at 0.0157 and is presently exchanging at 0.0186, a rise of 18 from the start of the year. The gadget chain cost at the end of 2023 is 0.0221, and the year-over-year change is 41. Plus 19 indicates the rise from today to the close of the year. The decade cost will decrease to 0.0192 for the majority of 2024, and then rise by 0.0002 to end the year at 0. The hypothesis for today and months to come: Monday, July 31st 0.0186, August 1st 0.0186, Wednesday, August 2nd 0.0187, Thursday, August 3rd 0.0187, Friday, August 4th 0.0187, Saturday, August 5th 0.0187, August 6th 0.0187, Monday, July 31st 0.0188, Tuesday, August 15th 0.0193, September 15th 0.0200, October 15th 0.0206, November 15th 0.02, Triumph, December 2nd 150.0218. Decade prognosis: this 5-year period, from 2025 to 2029, will produce a significant increase. The price per decade would rise by $124. From $0.0194 to $0.0435. The price will begin 2025 at $0.0194, climb to $0.0234 in the first half of the year, and finish the year at $0.0244, a gain of 31 from the current level. Vechain anticipated 2030 to 2034. During this period, the price of vaccine would increase by 44%, from 0.0435 to 0.0626. In 2030, the decade will begin at 0.0435, rise to 0.0463 in the first half of the year, and end at 0.0491, a 164% increase from today's price. Decade price forecast for 2023 and 2024. In 2023, the cost of vaccine began at $0.0157. Vechain traded at $0.0156. A 1% decrease from the beginning of the year change, plus 31. The increase from today to the end of the year will be 32 in 2023, and we expect the price per vaccine to reach $0.0197 in the first half of 2024. The price of a Vechain will increase by 86% by the end of the year, reaching $0.0268 plus $0.0023 for a total of $0.0291. These 5 years, 2025 to 2029, were predicted by Vechain to produce a 65% increase in cost, from $0.0291 to $0.0480. The decade will begin in 2025 at $0.0291, then decline to $0.0288 in the first half of the year, and end at $0.0306, which is 96 days from now. Between 2030 and 2034, the price of vaccine is projected to increase by 32%, from $0.0480 to $0.0632 per dose. Decade will begin at $0.0480, rise to $0.0509 in the middle of the year, and end at $0.0538, which is approximately a 245% increase from the current price. 6/1/2023. That chain value forecast: 2023 to 2024 change, plus 41. The ascent from today to the end of the year, plus 10. In 2023, we anticipate 0.0212 per Vechain in the first half of 2024. The cost of vaccine will rise to 0.0287 in the second half, and the cost would increase by 0.0025 to end the year at 0.0312. Which is plus 55 to the current price. The preceding 5 years, from 2025 to 2029, Vechain anticipated a rise in population. Decade will begin 2025 at 0.0312, drop to 0.0309 in the first half of the year, and end the year at 0.0328, a 63% increase from its current price. Decade anticipated 2030 to 2034. During this period, the price of Vechain would increase by 31% from 0.0515 to 0.0676. Vechain will begin 2030 at 0.0515, rise to 0.0546 in the first half of the year, and end the year at 0.0577. An increase of 187% from its current price. 5/15 2023 decade price forecast for 2023 and 2024. Vechain cost began in 2023 at 0.0157 and can now be exchanged for 0.0194, representing a 24% increase from the start of the year. The expected Vechain cost by the end of 2023 is 0.0232. With a year-to-year change of +48 and a rise from today to the end of the year of +19. In 2023, we expect to see 0.0229 per decade. In the first half of 2024, the beckoning cost will move to 0.0280, and the final part of the year will add 0.0012. It is anticipated that the years 2025 to 2029 will see a significant increase. The cost of a decade would increase by 113 cents, from $0.0292 to $0.0622. Vechain will begin 2025 at 0.0292, increase to 0.0303 in the first half of the year, and conclude the year at 0.0316. 63 days from now, the price of decade will increase from $0.0622 per coin between 2030 and 2034, according to a Vechain prediction. Bitcoin falls following the announcement that Binance will lay off 1,000 employees. Bitcoin falls following the announcement that Binance will lay off 1,000 employees. The price of Bitcoin fell by more than 2.7% on Saturday, following reports that the largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, laid off approximately 1,000 employees and that the reductions could continue. Bitcoin price prediction. As the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision gets closer, has Bitcoin already hit bottom? The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is planned for Wednesday. And market participants are eagerly waiting to see what happens and how it might affect Bitcoin and other financial assets. As the FOMC meets to decide on the federal interest rate, the cryptocurrency market is tense. Investors are asking if Bitcoin has already hit its bottom